Good day, guys. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you what lot size and pips is in Forex market. Okay, and you need to understand that it is the unit that drives every trade. Okay, now what is lot size? Lot size is actually the size and volume of your trade. Okay, and it determines how much each pip movement is worth. Alright, for example, now standard lot size is equals to 100,000 unit. This is actually for big traders with big capital, alright, with big accounts. For example, it is more like $10 per pip movement. So if there is a move of 10 pips, so it literally means that if you are currently on profit for 10 pips, you'll be making $100, and if you're on loss, you'll be making $100 loss. All right, and also mini lot is more like for intermediate traders or people that can actually, a little bit low than big traders with bigger accounts. Do you understand what I'm saying now? So now with 10,000 units, it literally mean it is $1 per pip movement. So for example, if there is a 10 pip movement now in profit, so you are literally making $10 per pip movement. And if you're in loss, you are making $10 in loss as well. All right, and micro lots is equivalent to 0.10 per pip movement. So if you're literally in 10 pips profit, so you're making $1. So this is actually for beginners and people who are just getting started in trading. So I would advise that you make use of micro lot size if you're just getting started, so you can perfectly identify that. And I think I've shown you in MT4, MT5, or probably I'd actually work on probably creating a video on how to set lot size. Okay, now what is a pip? A pip is actually percentage in points, which is the smallest price change in currency pairs. All right, most pairs might be 0.0001. Okay, for example, now euro USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001. The difference in this is actually the one pip movement that changes. Okay, that is exactly what pip does. It is the smallest price change in currency pair. So now, for example, now we have 1.14988 and 1.14998. All right, the 8 or the last digit at the back is meant to be a subscript. Okay, and that is what we call pipette. I'm still going there. So the change in movement from 8 to 9 is what we know as 1 pip. And also the difference between pip and pipette is the subscript behind the digits. For example, now this is USD now. For pips we have 144.02. This is the last one and it is meant a pip. So an increase in a pip, probably an increase in 1 pips, will lead to 144.03. Do we get it now? So the last digit is a pipette, which is what we have here. So now, why do they matter? What you need to understand is that these two things, your lot size, your pips, they actually control the risk and the profits that you make in the forex markets. Which means the larger your lot size is, the higher your reward and your risk is. Okay, so you need to ensure that you master these things before going live to trade. Okay, that's why there is a demo account, and I've made a video on how to create a demo account. You can check my profile for the video. Is that okay? So I hope this video is helpful for you. So do well to like, comment, and also follow, and I'll see you on the next one. You're welcome.